International Nurses Day is celebrated every year on the day May 12 in remembrance of the anniversary of Florence Nightingale, the founder of modern nursing. So the theme of this year is Our Nurses, Our Future. Our Nurses is Our Future. The International Nurses Day is celebrated since 1965. But in 1953 what happened, the madam named Dorothy Sutherland, she was an official with the US Department of Health and Welfare. She proposed a idea of celebrating Nurses Day to the president named Dwight Eisenhower, if I am not wrong. Okay, so but it was rejected. Okay, it was in 1953. Okay, but this started in 1965. But the May 12 to be celebrated, it was started on 1974. So as I told you, the theme of this particular year is Our Nurses, Our Future. So every year what does the International Council Nurses do is that they provide they distribute a particular kit, the International Council Nurses kit, which contains the materials what they require, the evidences or the resources what they require. So the nurses are not given much importance nowadays by our society, especially in India. They do a lot of work. They're the primary caregivers. They do a lot of work. At least don't hurt them, don't demotivate them, don't demoralize them. They are not paid properly. They are the daily wages. The duty is very much high. Like more number of hours they work, extra hours. And sometimes the staffs won't be there properly in some of the hospitals. So this particular staff who is there will be, it's like squeezing them properly. What they will get everything they are taken from them. They are not getting paid. So at least everyone should have respect with them. They are the first primary caregiver of the hospital. The first one to come to the patient, or the frequent contact with the patient is by the nurses. So when the patient has to be good, there are some nurses, I am not telling that, but as a particular celebrating, today is a celebrated day as International Nurses Day. The National Students Nursing Day was on May 8th. So since 1974, May 12 is considered to be International Nurses Day. So at least based on this day, you just have to, we are celebrating this because to know that the problems the nurses are facing in the society, to be aware the nurses what struggle they have come across the society in these many years. Every year the International Council of Nurses conducts this particular global health campaign to raise the awareness to what the struggles the nurses are coming into the society and to challenge the global health issues. Okay, we had many scenarios where many virus disease came across recently, COVID, especially the COVID, you know how much they struggle. They could not go to the family, they could not go to hospital. Obviously there are many health professionals, doctors are there. As a doctor we know, doctor, nurses, the lab technicians, the radiographers, everyone, each and everyone in the hospital is important. Today I'm talking about nurses because it's an International Nurses Day. You give some prior consideration to them, and there are many themes every year. Since 1988 there are different themes. So this year theme, it is Our Nurses, Our Future. That's why we have to think it is our nurses, it is our future. So give a proper respect, give a proper consideration to them. A humble request from my side. They are the one who consults the patient.